Welcome to Numero Tech, your gateway to technology and Web3 innovation. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Okay, welcome back, and this is Numero Tech, your gateway to Web3 and then technology. Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to have two social media icons, being it WhatsApp, Snapchat, Telegram, or Facebook, on one phone. Alright,
subscribe and turn on notification bell.
now we have this Telegram over here. Okay, we have our Telegram installed on this phone. Alright, so you cannot install the same Telegram on the same phone. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install the twin of the Telegram. So we just go straight to your settings. Alright, so you just go to your settings, but before then you just come to settings. Okay, and then when you come to the settings, you look for special function. Okay, you look for special function, and it's different from devices. All right, some will the special function can be it can be under app management or any other settings. All right, but here you have the special function over here, so you just click on your special function, and here we have the app twin. Okay, the app twin meaning you having two social media icon, same social media icon two times on the phone. That is twins. All right, so it comes from the word twins. You know, when you have an identical twins, you have two people looking at like the same thing. All right, doing the same thing together. So it is the same thing we have on the app twin. So you just click on the app twin, and when you click on the app twin, you could see that I have installed my WhatsApp. So I'm having two WhatsApp on one phone. All right, and then we have the Telegram here. You see that I have the normal Telegram, just I showed you. All right, so we have the Snapchat, we have the Messenger, we have the Instagram, and also the Facebook. Okay, so we are installing for the Telegram, so you just click here, and then it will start with installing for you. Now when you are done, and then you click on the home, you could find it here. All right, see it here that we have installed the app twin of the Telegram. And look at this portion very clearly. You could see here that there is something that is on the icon. All right, that tells you that yes, this is the twin of Telegram. Okay, the twin brother or the twin sister of Telegram. So you will be having two Telegram on one phone. Okay, so on the Telegram, if you are not a premium subscriber, you can only add 3 accounts. Okay, so if you exhaust your 3 accounts on this Telegram, then you have access to also have 3 accounts on the twin sister or brother of the Telegram. Okay, so in all you'll be having 6 accounts on 2 Telegram on one phone. Okay, so that is how to install the twin of a social media. All right, now if you want to uninstall it, the only thing is to go to settings, you click on special functions, and then you come to the app twin. Okay, so by taking this off, you are uninstalling the app twin. So when you come, you see that it's left with only the Telegram that we installed it from Play Store. That is there. All right, so that is how it is. So it goes for all the social media sites that you see over here. That is WhatsApp, Snapchat, Messenger, Instagram, and then Facebook as well. So if you want to have them, then you need to come and install it so that you have the twin of the social media icon. Thank you very much for watching.